You see this? This was the dream, right? The 4 a.m. wake-ups. The hustle. The glorification of being constantly busy. I was the poster child for hustle culture. I was winning until I wasn't. Until the very thing I built my identity on cost me my health, my relationships, and almost my life. This isn't a motivational talk. This is a warning. This is what happens when you confuse your worth with your output. 2. Introduction. Hey everyone. If you've ever felt pressured to be constantly productive, to side hustle your way to millions, or to wear your exhaustion like a badge of honor, this video is for you. My name is your name/channel name, and for years, I bought into the lie of hustle culture. Today, I'm going to tell you my story, not to gain your sympathy, but to maybe, just maybe, save you from making the same catastrophic mistakes I did. This is the dark side of hustle culture that no one talks about on their highlight reels. 3. Main story, Part 1. The addiction to busy. It started in my mid-20s. I had a good job, but I wanted more. I launched a startup on the side. My mantra was sleep is for the weak. I'd work my 9 to 5, then come home and grind on my business until 2 a.m. I was fueled by caffeine and the constant praise I got. You're so driven. I wish I had your work ethic. My entire self-worth became tied to how busy I was. I was addicted to the grind. I was chasing success, but what I was really running from was the fear of being ordinary, of being average. Part 2. The cracks begin to show, but your body keeps score, even when your mind ignores it. The first sign was the constant headaches. Then the insomnia. I was exhausted but couldn't sleep. My doctor called it adrenal fatigue. I called it a weakness. My relationships started to suffer. I'd cancel on friends because I had to work. I'd snap at my family for distracting me. I was so deep in the hustle culture trap that I saw every human connection as time stolen from productivity. I was lonely, but I was too busy to notice. Part 3. The crash. Cost me everything. And then came the crash. I'll never forget the day. I was in the middle of a Zoom call, and my heart started pounding out of my chest. I felt dizzy, short of breath. I thought I was having a heart attack. Turns out it was a severe panic attack. My body's final, desperate plea for me to stop. The doctor sat me down and said words I'll never forget. Your body is shutting down. You are severely burned out. That same week, my partner of 5 years left. They said they couldn't watch me destroy myself anymore. And my business? It failed. I was too sick to run it. In the span of a month, I lost my health, my relationship, and the very business I sacrificed everything for. Hustle culture didn't give me everything. It cost me everything. OUTRO, so what's the lesson? What did I learn from this incredibly painful experience? I learned that hustle culture is a dangerous myth. That sustainable success isn't built on burnout. Your worth is not your productivity. It's not found in your side hustle or your job title. It's in your health, your connections, your ability to be present. My recovery meant learning to rest without guilt. It meant setting hard boundaries. It meant redefining what success actually meant for me, not for some toxic online narrative. I'm not here to tell you to not be ambitious. Be ambitious, but be well. Build a life you don't feel the need to constantly escape from through work. Prioritize your mental health. Protect your peace. Because no amount of money or external validation is worth your well-being.